Looking for free airplane hacks to upgrade your flight experience without spending a fortune? Picture this. You're crammed into economy while someone a few rows up enjoys lie flat beds and champagne, without paying thousands more than you did. What if I told you there are 12 free airplane hacks to upgrade your flight experience that airlines desperately don't want you to discover? These insider strategies turn the tables on airline pricing games. Stick with me because I'm revealing exactly how to beat the system and fly like a VIP. But first, let's expose what airlines don't tell you. The upgrade game: what airlines hide. Airlines want you to believe upgrades are random or only for elite members. That's completely false. There's a sophisticated system behind every upgrade decision, and once you understand it, you can game it perfectly. Airlines follow strict priority rules when handing out upgrades. Yes, status matters, but timing, seat selection, check-in strategy, and attitude all influence whether you're in 32F or 2A. The biggest myth? That dressing well guarantees upgrades. There's something far more powerful most travelers completely overlook. Let's reveal the real secrets. Hack number 1: the golden booking window. Lisa booked her New York to London flight just 48 hours before departure due to work delays. At the airport, she received an automatic business class upgrade for free. Here's why. Airlines hate empty premium seats. As departure approaches, they desperately fill business and first class cabins. When you book 24 to 48 hours before departure, you're perfectly positioned for last-minute upgrades. Airlines would rather move paying economy passengers to business class free than fly with empty seats earning nothing. This timing puts you exactly where they need you. But here's where it gets interesting. Hack number 2: the dress code reality. You've heard dress well, get upgraded a million times. Here's the truth from former airline employees. While dressing well won't guarantee upgrades, it absolutely tips the scales. Airlines want premium cabins maintaining certain images. When choosing between upgrading someone in a blazer versus torn jeans, guess who wins? But appearance is just one factor in a larger equation. You can look perfect, but still watch business class passengers board if you're missing the other crucial elements. Pro tip: if you want the complete playbook on airport fashion do's and don'ts, I've got an entire video breaking down what not to wear to the airport, outfit mistakes to avoid. It reveals shocking fashion choices that could sabotage your entire travel experience before you even board. Want to know what matters even more? Keep watching. Hack number 3: the strategic check-in gamble. Most travelers check in exactly 24 hours early, thinking they're securing the best seats. This could be your worst mistake. James learned this accidentally when work delayed his LA to Tokyo check-in until 2 hours before departure. At the airport, economy was oversold, but business class had availability. Result: automatic upgrade to business class. Airlines monitor inventory in real time. When economy fills but premium cabins have space, late check-in passengers get priority for operational upgrades. By waiting until the final hours, you position yourself perfectly for airline reshuffling needs. Think that's risky? This next strategy sounds absolutely crazy. Hack number 4: the worst seat strategy. Sophie deliberately selects the absolute worst seat. Last row, next to bathrooms, no recline. Why? When airlines reshuffle passengers, they prioritize moving people from the most uncomfortable spots first. If you're voluntarily in seat 47E that everyone avoided, you become the obvious upgrade choice when they need space or have open premium seats. Airlines think, who deserves business class most? The person suffering in our worst seat. It's counterintuitive, but choosing terrible seats often leads to excellent outcomes. But here's something even more powerful. Hack number 5: the credit card secret weapon. Airline credit cards aren't just for miles. They come with hidden upgrade benefits pushing you ahead of regular passengers, even without elite status. Most airlines have credit card partnerships with priority upgrade perks rarely advertised. American Express with Delta, Chase with United, Citi with American. Cardholders get automatic consideration for complimentary or discounted upgrades. Combined with strategic timing and seat selection, you're stacking multiple advantages. But what if a single sentence could unlock business class? Hack number 6: the magic phrase. When flights are oversold, airlines need moving passengers to higher cabins, but don't always offer upgrades automatically. A former gate agent revealed this insider secret. One phrase triggers upgrade consideration. Simply ask, "Are there any complimentary upgrades available today?" This signals you're interested and available when opportunities arise. During oversold situations or last-minute cancellations, you become their first solution. The phrase is polite, direct, professional, putting you on their radar without pressure. Want another edge most travelers never consider? Hack number 7. The solo traveler's advantage. Flying alone is your secret upgrade weapon. Airlines heavily favor solo travelers over groups when bumping passengers to premium cabins. Finding one business class seat is infinitely easier than finding 2 or 3 together. Families and couples create complications. Airlines must either split them up or find adjacent premium seats, often impossible. As a solo traveler, you're the perfect solution, fitting any available seat without disrupting others. You're automatically ahead of 70% of passengers traveling in groups. But what if you're traveling with someone? Hack number 8. The special occasion strategy. Airlines love creating memorable experiences in premium cabins, sometimes offering surprise upgrades for major life events, honeymoons, anniversaries, milestone birthdays. The key is strategic positioning. Instead of, "It's my birthday," try, "We're celebrating our 10th anniversary today, and it would be incredible to start this trip memorable. Do you have any available upgrades?" This approach is personal, gives airlines heroic opportunities, and positions upgrades as goodwill gestures rather than demands. You're creating upgrade opportunities through storytelling. Even without celebrations, there's another impression method. Hack number 9. The networking advantage. Gate agents and flight attendants have more upgrade power than you realize. Simple conversations could be your business class ticket. Former employees revealed friendly, memorable passengers get prioritized for last-minute upgrades. Arrive early, be genuinely friendly, engage naturally. "How's your day?" or "Busy flight today," makes you memorable among stressed travelers. When timing feels right, ask politely, "Any available upgrades today?" You're not demanding anything, just making yourself known as someone appreciating opportunities. But what if you could guarantee premium seating? Hack number 10. The hidden ticketing loophole. This strategy exploits airline pricing quirks. Instead of direct economy tickets, look for multi-leg flights with premium cabin segments. Sometimes first-class connecting flights cost equal or less than direct economy routes. Airlines use complex algorithms creating these anomalies, especially internationally where they're filling premium cabins. The key is flexibility. Accepting layovers unlocks first-class luxury for economy prices. This works particularly well flying to smaller cities where airlines discount premium seats, stimulating demand. Think that's clever? Wait until you hear this. Hack number 11. The strategic feedback method. Most people think airline complaints only create frustration. The right kind of feedback could land you in first class. The secret isn't aggression, it's calm, constructive reporting of legitimate issues. When your entertainment system breaks or seat won't recline, politely inform flight attendants, express understanding, and casually ask if anything can improve your comfort. Proactive crew members might offer premium seat upgrades as goodwill gestures. There are documented cases of professional problem reporting resulting in business class moves. Airlines prioritize customer satisfaction, but for consistent results, this final hack is ultimate. Hack number 12. The fare class optimization secret. Elite frequent flyers use this strategy, virtually guaranteeing upgrades, fare class optimization. Not all economy tickets equal each other. When booking economy, you're buying specific fare classes with mysterious codes like Y, B, M, or K determining upgrade priority. Certain economy fare classes are upgrade friendly. Y or B class tickets cost slightly more than cheapest options, but put you atop upgrade lists. When airlines have available premium seats, these fare class passengers get priority consideration regardless of loyalty status. Choose the right fare class and combine with other strategies for guaranteed upgrade consideration. The ultimate strategy: stacking advantages. Here's the real power move: combining multiple strategies. Picture this: flying solo with an airline credit card, booked in the 48-hour window, selecting a terrible seat, checking in hours before departure. At airports, dress professionally, engage friendly gate conversations, and politely inquire about upgrades. You're not hoping for luck. You're creating multiple upgrade pathways. Even if one strategy fails, several backup plans run simultaneously. Avoid these mistakes: checking in too early, being pushy with staff, assuming randomness. Airlines have systems, and now you know them. So, which hack surprised you most? Have you tried these strategies or have upgraded success stories? Drop comments below. I read everyone and love hearing travel wins. If this opened your eyes to airline games, smash that like button, helping other travelers discover these secrets. Subscribe for more insider travel hacks, saving money and upgrading experiences. Share with someone tired of economy while business class passengers live their best lives. Knowledge is power, and now you have power turning every flight into potential upgrade opportunities. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next one.